Hey guys, how are you doing today? So, I'm gonna make slime with fingernail polish, salt, and eye contact solution. Not sure what the salt is for, but let's get started. Okay, I got my fingernail polish, I got my eye contact solution, and I got my salt. I've already tried this once, but I only got to half of it. So I've actually never ever done this, that it's worked. So I've only done this once, but I think it's probably done. That was loud, okay. I don't like fingernail polish. That's why I'm covered in it. Ew, it's not fingernail polish. It's water. It's disgusting. I'm gonna mix this up a little. Hopefully there's some fingernail polish in it. There's no balls in it though, I didn't hear them. Wait, are you supposed to hear the balls or not hear the balls? I'm so confused with the fingernail polish. It's like water just coming out. Okay, there's not a lot in here at all. I wish I could just use paint, but no. Ew. Something came out that was very disturbing. Okay, you guys should smell this. It smells like a tuna sandwich had an egg salad for lunch. Like that. You understand my feelings. Add salt. I'm just copying off of this person that did this because they're like, it totally worked. Let's see if they're telling the truth. They're probably not, because most YouTubers don't. Yes, it does not work. I'll add a tiny bit more of this. Okay, it doesn't work at all. Look at that. It didn't do anything. Well, as you can see, that was a total. So, as you saw, that was a total fail. Like, yeah, just a fail. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do that. And give this video a thumbs up. And just like comment what you want me to do next, because I can make slime next. I could like vote on your guys' Musical.lys and follow Kylie M. Bose on Musical.ly, KYLEEMBOS on Musical.ly. That is on my account. And also follow Audrey A. Scott 101. AUDREYASCOTT 101, because she's my best friend. So go follow her and subscribe to my channel and thumbs up and comment and what. Okay, I'm done. Okay, well, I shall see you tomorrow. BYE.